Okay, so this next video is going to be about setting your Gmail account up for ease of a function with various templates that we can create. Okay, so here is an email that I sent out yesterday. Now this can go out to anyone who you would want to approach about the ERC credit. What are they again? Businesses, nonprofit organizations, right? Charter schools, corporations, you name it. Anyone that has a W-2 employee is fair game here. Okay. So first thing we want to do is go into the settings and enable the ability to create a template. Okay. So we go to the gear up here, right? Just to the left of your picture and these little dots. Then we're going to go to all settings. And then we're going to click on advanced. Okay. See where it says templates right here? You hit enable, and then down here is save changes, and that will enable that change. Okay. Now, if you're going to use this, if you created an email account for just ERC, you may also want to create a subject line. So I might as well add that to this too. So let's go back to advanced. Okay. Under general, we're going to go down to subject line right here. So you're going to create a subject line by naming it. Let's hit create new. You name it, ERC, and then put into your subject line whatever you want, right? Your phone number, your name, whatever. You can go here. Any maybe links or whatever you want to have that will go out with every email, right? It's a generic link. I have my business owner one here that goes to my business owner link, right? That's there. Once again, you go down, save the changes. Okay, so now let's go to compose. Okay, I'll go back to my inbox because I want that one that we were using. Here we go. So let's say you want to create a template with this using this this one here, right? It's really simple. We're going to copy all of this. Left click with the mouse, turn everything blue. You can do Control C on a PC or right click, copy. Okay. Open a new message. Get rid of the subject line that's in there. So it has to be completely blank. If you do not, the template, you'll have a double signature, and you don't want a double signature, right? Because it's going to automatically put a signature in when you create it. And if you save the template with the signature, you'll have two signatures. And you're like, why do I have two signatures? That's why, right? Hit enter, like go down a little bit. Control V on your keyboard for PC. I'm not sure what the paste feature is for Apple. Or once again, PC, right click, paste. Okay. Now, if you're going to use this email, because I'll be pushing it out, you want to change these links because they're going to my website and not yours. Okay. So pay attention. I have the two web pages open here, which you know how to get to from the Snap dashboard. You have them open, right? Grab the first one, right? Highlight the whole thing, Control C, or right click copy. Do the same thing. Go here, right? And then you just click on it. And you'll see it'll say change. Right? Then you just change it. Again, click, highlight the whole thing blue, Control V or right P, paste. And now it's going to paste that that one in there that you want. And then you're going to test it out and make sure it is correct. How do you do that? Test this link. Make sure that your code is here. Right? You'll know what your code is. Go into Snap. Look at and if your code is there, you're golden. You're good. Now so that's so now you hit OK, right? Second one, complete the survey, because maybe they watched the video already, and they just want to go to the survey page. It's on the same one, but you have the ability for it to just, instead of going here, it will go right to that survey page. Okay. So what you do, the easiest thing to do that after you've copied that, okay, what you'll do is you'll put pound, the pound sign, and type in the word first, pound first. So let's do that again. All you're doing is going here, and I'll show you what I'm doing. Pound, everybody knows what the pound sign looks like, right? Or hashtag. And then you type in the word first, FIRST. You hit enter. Watch what happens when I do this. Do you see that? It goes to right to this page. Make sure your code is down here on the bottom. It's your number, not mine or another number or a wrong number, because then that won't be directed to you. Again, copy, right click, however you do it. You put that here, you click it. You paste. You hit test this link. All looks good. Hit OK. Now that's great. You're perfect. So now what do you do next? Now we're going to save this as a template. Okay. I'm going to go like this. Here's my subject line. The name of your template is going to be the subject line of your email. Okay. Whatever you want the subject line to be. I keep my subject lines a little confusing, right? If you put too much in the subject line, people will just skip the email because they'll have a preconceived idea what it is. But humans are curious by nature. And if the subject line is a little vague, they'll open it up and then they'll have access to the information. Even if they don't read it, in 1 second, you could look at this page and you see there's a bunch of numbers. You're like, what? And then you read it, right? So again, copy, right? Copy, go back here, paste it in here to the subject line. Now this is what it's going to look like. We're going to go down to these 3 dots where it says more options. Templates. Okay. This will be your first one. So you're going to save it as a template. Okay. And once you do that, you'll have that template will be there. Okay. And you just do this one after the other. So now let me get out of this and I'll show you what it looks like. So now you created your template and you want to send it out to someone, right? I'm now going to send this. I had a conversation with someone. Compose, 3 dots. Now you're looking, now this is your subject line, right? It's going to ask you what you want to save it as. That will populate the subject line if you change it. And then every time you send this template out, you'll have to retype in the subject line. It's a pain in the keister. So just leave the name of the template, the subject line. And then here it is. Here's that information I was talking about, right? Boom, it populates. Then you see, here's my signature's there. And then I go here, clip, and I get my flyers that I want. I have different flyers for different things, right? This is the flyer that I sent all you guys. So I send boom, 1, 2, 3, 4, attach those flyers, hit send, and now it is on its way. Okay, so watch this video a couple times if you need to. I went pretty slow. Create those templates. Copy paste is going to be your friend. Go look at the other videos if you're going to be working just on mobile and you don't have a computer or a laptop. And I'm going to do this on my phone. Watch the video that I did for setting up your mobile stuff. Okay. Again, make sure you go to the YouTube channel and subscribe so you get check on the bell for notifications. So when we push new things out, you'll have access to it. Okay, everyone, you know what to do. Have a great